Okay, so this is part 2 of my Sinclair ZX Spectrum Vega. One of the things I didn't point out on part 1 was the little SD card slot on the front. That's for upgrading more, adding more games, and also for saving and loading games when you're in them, so like high scores, that sort of thing, which is pretty cool. Pretty damn cool. So, one thing I did find, you've got these connections to go into the telly. Now, the USB, my TV, fortunately, has one in the back on the side, so that's cool. The 2 audio cables, no problem. But the video cable I found actually gave quite a distorted picture. There's a lot of sort of pixel interference, so the picture wasn't terribly good. So I got hold of one of these SCART adapter, which plugs into the SCART port on the back, and then obviously you've got the 3 connectors for the Vega there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and see how we get on. Okay, so there we go, plugging them in. Right, so we're going to take this round the back of the telly, where unfortunately you're probably not going to be able to see much, but I'll just plug it in there. And then we've got the USB, which goes into my little port on the side here. Oh wow, cool. Comes up. Hey, there we go. Okay, I'm going to restart that again. Pressing the reset button, I'm going to press 2. It says the Roll of Honour. So this is a list of the people who contributed to the project. And if I do scroll across, this is me just blowing my own trumpet. There I am, the Alberga. And then what I did notice, a bit further down, they love the music as well. It actually got me there as well. New track, Alberga. So hey, I ain't gonna complain. It's one of those things. So let's come out of that. Let's do a reset. Now the games are pretty awesome. There's one which I used to love playing called Jetpack. So I'm actually using you can use the left key to sort of go through alphabetical. So it starts in the number section, and you go left to the A's, B's, C, D, etc. Go to J, Jetpack, and then we'll just press select. And there we go. All the controls. Select again, and start the game. Hello, Jetpack. And I just got killed. Well, I'm going to go ahead and play some of these games. Oh, I've got one. Oh, yeah. Oh, got that bit there. Got the nose cone. I'm going to play one-handed, so it's not that easy. But as far as I can tell, it all looks pretty good. I was going to get hold of an SD card to go into that slot. So there's your little LED light to say it's on. But I'm sure we're going to have many, many hours of fun playing with this kiddie. Hey-ho, jetpack. Okay, laters. I'll let you know how it goes.